Macedonia is a land of mysteries, and this is one of the most mysterious spots. This volcanic mountain, about 3,000 feet high, is home to the oldest observatory in Eastern Europe, almost 4,000 years old. Until 5 years ago, nobody really knew what this was used for until two local scientists, an archaeologist and an astronomer, determined that this was an ancient megalithic observatory, like Stonehenge, like Angkor Wat, like Apple symbol.
Лично верувам дека во Вселената постои живот, но не верувам дека има посетители кои ги ја посетиле земјата. Тоа е така, но јас лично сметам дека ова место е само плод на развојот на човековата цивилизација.
This is the throne where the high priest would sit, and the beam of light from the rising sun would hit his face and allow the beginning of the sacrifices.
За мене најголема мистерија во овој случај е народот кој ја направил оваа обсерваторија.
Off a dusty dirt road, we meet the man who discovered rock art in Macedonia. He leads us to his most recent find, a mysterious outcropping of rocks fashioned for Neolithic fertility and wine ceremonies. One of the great mysteries of this region is where did everybody come from? This site right here is evidence of Paleolithic habitation, ceremonies, fertility rites. This is also known as a mountain full of snakes, poisonous snakes too. I'm here with Dr. Dushko, who is the president of the World Academy of Rock Art, and we're in a cave that holds the first Paleolithic rock art ever found in Eastern Europe. And he's pointed out a stick figurine, which is actually a sun god. So, how in the world did they make paint that lasted 25,000 years?
Видите, тоа останала навистина мистерија за нас како научни истражувачи од областа на археологијата. Тоа е мистерија и за техничко-технолошкиот процес во Македонија и во светски рамки. Се надеваме дека идните генерации ќе имат повеќе среќа по разрешувањето на овој проблем.
I'm here with Miloš Bilbija, an archaeologist, who in this wheat field in the year 2000 discovered a figurine, a clay figurine that is over 7,500 years old. And he tells me this was a transition symbol between the Neolithic and the Bronze Age. And it's most significant because it represents a change of consciousness from man associating himself with animals to man believing that he is above the animals. How do you find the truth? How do you solve some of these great mysteries about our origins and our changes?
Спознав вистина, јас морав да копам. Спознав вистина така што копа по земја.
For Miloš and these other seekers of truth, the ancient mysteries of Macedonia are not mysteries, but reality.